Number system remainder questions follow a hidden pattern. Students who see it solve in 10 seconds. Students who miss it spend 2 minutes on trial and error and still get it wrong. Divided by 7 gives remainder 3. Divided by 5 gives remainder 2. Find the smallest such number. A. 17, then B. 22, then C. 12, then D. 5. Your answer? The trial and error trap. Listing takes too long. Look for a pattern in the remainders instead. Mod 7, remainder 3. Numbers are 3, 10, 17. Mod 5, remainder 2. Numbers are 2, 7, 12, 17. First common, 17. Answer A. Same type. Stronger pattern. This one takes 5 seconds once you see it. Divided by 3 gives remainder. 2 divided by 5 gives remainder. 3 divided by 7 gives remainder. 4. Smallest number? A. 104, then B. 23, then C. 32, then D. 105. Your answer? Each remainder is exactly 1 less than its divisor. So N+1 is divisible by 3, 5 and 7. Then N+1 as LCM equals 105. Then N equals 104. Answer A. 2 questions, 2 patterns. Recognizing the pattern cuts 2 minutes to 10 seconds. Rule. Check if remainder equals divisor minus 1 for all. If yes, N+1 year LCM. If no, list multiples systematically. Pattern recognition is the exam shortcut. Trial and error is the exam trap. This pattern appears in 4 of every 5 number system sections in SSC.